How to buy Minecraft Java Edition using a gift card. So there's actually tons of ways for you to be able to successfully purchase a gift card, specifically Java Edition on Minecraft. First things first is you can go to the nearest physical store, either Walmart or any specific store that offers games sailings. So what you want to do if you would like to purchase it online is the very go-to website that you can go is just basically the g2a.com. Once you're here, all you have to do is just simply type in Minecraft Java Edition. Now there's going to be tons of results right here, but you can only choose on any method or any preference that you would like to purchase. So this is what it looks like if you haven't purchased it. So once you have made deal with the one that you wanted to buy, is just simply add this to your cart, set up your payment method to whatever you are going to use to pay this specific gift card right here. And once you have successfully purchased it, all I have to do is to go back to Minecraft's official site, log into your account, and then just simply go to redeem. Now, redemption page is usually, this code is usually located at the back portion of your card if you purchase it on a physical store. If not, there's going to be an email that you will receive if you purchase online, depending on their process. So that's it. That's how you purchase Minecraft Java Edition using a gift card.